All right, so look, this is what we got here. I just cut this hose, making our own hydraulic hose. I just cut this hose. I wrap tape around the hose, electrical tape. So when we go to cut it, you can get a clean cut. You don't have all these, like a whole bunch of frayed wires. We use the cutting wheel on the grinder there. So now, because we just cut it, we need to use some compressed air. Need to clean it out. Make sure we ain't getting no debris. So any debris that would have been in this hole should be blowed out. Now, this is our old hose over here on the ground. Old piece of junk. So, what we have, we're gonna need to put it all back together exactly how it was. Get our fitting here. Got a 3/8 inner diameter, 3/8 JIC fitting right there. I'm gonna slide it here on the end of the hose. Push it down. Now, got all this tangled up here. Now that that's in there, this is good to go. We gotta take it and slide it from the back side, like so. Objective is to get it kind of flush with the edge there. Make sure the fitting's in there tight. And now we start cranking. We gotta loosen this up. This was in travel mode. There we go. Make sure this lever there is tight. We're gonna pump this thing down. It's simple, it's really simple. Right, there we go. Make sure that hose is all the way in there. Now you see like this right here? Here go a prime example of what I don't want to happen. That thing that died and slid forward. I'm not going to continue forward with pressing until we correct this issue here. So back off of it just a little bit. Let the pressure off. Just enough so there we go. We can get that die fixed up in there. Tighten back. Double check everything. Everything is a go. Start crushing down on her. There we go. Once I learn how to use this micrometer down here, once we get to it being tight like it's supposed to be at the measurement, this light will illuminate. But we haven't learned that part just yet. So all we doing right now is just crimping them down. And as we go, we will learn. These are our test runs for the future. There we go. Come on. Look at that. We're almost to 10. Remember, once we get to 30, we are complete. Cars driving by. Excuse the mess that we got going on here, but hey, this is what we do. Gotta get our job done. We're a mobile hose repairer, crimper. There we go. There's 30. There we go. All right, go ahead and back off that pressure. There we go. Not there yet, almost loose. There she goes. She's loosening up. Back her on out. Boom. Another crimp fitting. All right, guys. Got some more to knock out. No need to make another video of me doing the same thing. Talk to you later.